Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and it is almost time for Christmas. It is starting to get a little bit colder outside. It doesn't get super cold here in the Houston area, generally speaking, but still you might have to put on a warm jacket or some awesome mittens like this one right here. Now I can't actually wear this mitten. This is my sweet looking mitten ornament that I can use to decorate my home, and I'm going to show you how you can make one of your own.